Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tasty Treats. I am Sushmita and today I am going to show you a very famous Indian sweet dish named jalebi or jilipi. This spiral shaped sweet has been adored by millions of Indians since ages and we generally buy it from sweet shops. In this recipe, I am going to show you how easily you can make this sweet dish right at your home with just a few ingredients. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I would like to hear from you, so please leave your valuable feedback in the comment section. In this recipe, I am going to show you traditional jalebi making procedure by fermenting the batter. The process of frying and dipping in the sugar syrup is the same for both traditional and instant versions of making jalebis. For fermentation of the batter, it takes about 12 to 24 hours depending on the weather that you are living in. The warmer weather accelerates the fermentation process. For me, as summer has already set in, it took me about 15 hours to ferment my batter. For making batter, I am taking 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, and 1/8 teaspoon of yellow food color. Next, I am going to add some room temperature water and beat the mixture. If you don't have an electric beater, you can beat it manually. The goal is to make a lump-free, smooth batter. As you can see, I am adding water gradually so that I can check the consistency of the batter. The consistency of the batter is very important. It should be neither too thick nor too thin. It should be just the pouring consistency. Here I have added 3/4 cups of water in this batter, and you can see how the batter should be. Now I am going to cover it and let it rest for 12 hours in room temperature. After 12 hours, I am opening the cover to check if the batter has fermented. You can see there's some bubbles formed in the batter. The batter won't rise, but a mild sour smell will tell you the batter has fermented. I'm going to rest it for 3 more hours. And after 3 more hours and a total of 15 hours, you can see the number of bubbles have increased. We will give it a quick mix. For frying jalebis, I am using a piping bag to pour the mixture. Alternatively, you can use the Ziploc bag. You can pour the mixture in, make a small hole right in the corner and make a cone like that. Now let's make the sugar syrup. For that, I have taken 1.5 cups of sugar in a pan and added 1 cup of water. I'm going to boil the syrup for 5 minutes. Syrup is boiling for 5 minutes now. I have crushed 5 green cardamoms and I am going to put it in the syrup, and the syrup is ready. Just when you are ready for frying the jalebis, add a teaspoon of saffron water and a pinch of baking soda in the batter and mix properly. Next, I am going to pour the batter in the piping bag.
reminder, please do not overfill the bag. You can see I am filling only till the max line. Secure the piping bag with a rubber tie. It will help you to have a better grip and concentrate on the shape of the jalebis. Next, I will cut the tip of the piping bag just a little. In a wide bottomed pan, I have taken about 1 cup of vegetable oil and heat the oil. Take oil in such a way so that it is at least half an inch deep. As the oil seems hot now, I am going to check if it is hot enough to fry the jalebis. I'll put couple of drops of the batter in the oil. If it springs up instantly on the surface of the oil, then the oil is ready. Next, squeeze the piping bag and make spiral shapes in the oil starting from the center and sealing the end in the last half round. Deep fry the jalebis on low-medium heat till these are crispy and golden in color. The temperature of the oil is very important. To get golden and crunchy jalebis, always fry the jalebis on lower medium heat. Now I am taking the fried jalebis out of the oil and dip in the sugar syrup for about 2 minutes. Another batch of jalebis with same procedure. The crispy golden jalebis or jilipis are ready to be served either hot or chilled. Garnish with some pistachio or serve hot jalebis with chilled rabdi. It tastes delicious in every way.
So that was jalebis for us. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more yummy recipes from me.